Hello and welcome again to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing lengua with mushroom sauce on bread toast. Yan. Itong lengua, you really have to boil this for a long time. Paano kasi? Hindi mo siya pwedeng basta putulin lang, lutuin siya na gano'n dahil matigas. No? Although, this is really full of muscles and fat. Pero yung outer skin niya, ito talaga yung matigas. So, ibaboil natin to in water. We'll boil it for about good 2 or 3 hours. And then, ipipeel off natin yung skin niya. Tapos, gagawa natin siya ng mushroom sauce. And then, toast. Doon natin ilalagay yung lengua natin. Okay? So, let's begin. Let me just wash my hands. So, sa water natin, sa pot natin, we'll put bay leaves. Lagyan natin ng maraming bay leaves. No? Yan. Bay leaves. And then, we put in some black pepper. Yan. Dami niya yung black pepper. Take this out. I will put some ginger. Pampatanggal siya ng langsa ng tang. Durugin natin. Yan. Just like that. There you go. Lagyan natin sa water natin. This is where we're going to boil the tongue. And then onions. Okay. And since iboboil natin to nang matagal, hindi mo kailangan pinuhin yung pagputol sa onions natin. So we'll just cut this in quarters. Pwede na. So, yan. And this one. Put it here. And then, we'll drop in some thyme. Very strong to. No herb. Pero, it smells good. It tastes good. So, dyan siya. Then, itong yung tongue natin, we'll boil this for 2.5 hours to about 3 hours. Depende kung gano'n sa kabilis lumambot. So, drop it in there. And then, wait. Okay, so, after boiling it for 2.5 hours, makita mo malambot na yung meat niya. Ang gagawin natin, we are going to peel this off. Madali lang to. So, open it up dito. Sa middle. And then just slice through it. You know. Tamo kahit 2.5, 3 hours mo na siyang binoil, matigas pa rin siya. So, this is the way to peel it. Yan, madali lang, oh. But in this case, dalawa yung binoil ko na dila. Kasi marami tayo dito. Ito yung kakainin natin for lunch. No? Okay. There you go. Open it. And peel it off. Okay. Once mapeel na natin yung skin niya, ang gagawin natin, we're going to slice the tongue itself. Remember, this is soft already, very soft. No, and it's really tender. Yan. So maganda to, medyo makapal ng konti kasi soft naman siya. Yan, oh. Wow. See that? Kailangan very sharp yung knife mo. Kasi pag hindi sharp yung knife mo, mag-aano siya, yung madudurog. So now, yung naiwan sa atin dito are all soft muscles and fat. In fact, dito pala matitikman mo, malambot eh. Even without the mushroom sauce, masarap na siya. So what I did was, I boiled 2 sets of beef tongue. That means, gagawa ko ng dalawa. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll do our onions. Take off the skin. Peel it off. Nice. So now we'll turn on our skillet. We'll heat it up. And with this, isasaute muna natin to. No? gagamit tayo ng Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Yan. Okay. Bango. We put in lots of olive oil there. Pang sauté natin. So now, let's start sautéing our onions. There you go. The nice thing about onions, you know, meron siyang pungent smell, di ba? Minsan nakakaiyak yung smell niya. But once it's cooked already, it gives a sweet taste. So, ito yung nakakapatamis din siya sa ulam. Now, we'll put in our garlic. Pepper. So, this is for our sauce. Let it cook some more. Then, we will put in some mushrooms. 3 cans of whole mushrooms. Then, we can cut our mushrooms in half. Yan. Here. Just saute the mushrooms for a while. Ganda, oh. You can smell the olive oil, the onions, and the garlic. Ang sarap. After this, ipiprepare na natin yung pinaka-mushroom sauce natin. So, we'll put this in. This will be our base, no? The sauce. And then, pwede mo gamitin yung broth kung saan mo pinakuluan nyo, no? Saan mo pinakuluan yung tang. So, that will serve as your broth. Sayang, may excess siya dito. So, might as well take this. Yan. Tingnan mo siya dyan. Careful kasi mainit yung broth, no? Yung pinakuluan niya mainit. There you go. Just mix it well. And put in more broth. So this will be the base for our sauce. Mix it. Galit sa mushrooms, ha. Tumatalon, ha. Andahin, paluluto ka rin. Relax. Relax yan. Dapat kinakausap mo yung pagkain na niluluto mo, eh. Yan. Okay. Alam mo, nakababad sa brine ito. So, habang piniprito mo siya, talagang puputok-putok, eh. Yan. Put in sauce. Half of that. And half it dito. Perfect. Mix it well. And then, pag nandyan na siya, pwede mo na ilagay yung lengua. Ayan. And then just let it boil. Let it simmer for about another 30 minutes. After nyan, okay na to. We'll put it in low para hindi rin masunog yung ilalim. Okay, it's low. So, pag mapansin mo na medyo kulang siya sa sauce, sa liquid, put in more stock. So, for our sauce. And with this, so let's check it out. Para hindi siya masunog at mahina lang yung fire niya. Let it simmer for about good 25 minutes and you're ready to go. So at this point, we can try the sauce already. Ooh, wow, goodie. Just cover it. We're ready for lunch. Now, prepare natin yung bread natin. Slice some bread. Dito natin isa-serve yung lengua natin sa bread. Sa toast. Now, why are we using olive oil? Extra virgin olive oil. Remember, there are three kinds of olive oils, no? Meron yung extra virgin, and you'll see the color is really amber green. Then next is just regular olive oil. It's called pure. And then the last one is pomace. Extra virgin, You know, when we went to Mallorca in Spain, nakapunta ako dun sa olive oil cooperatives, and then they were making us taste, no, and giving us explanation how to do olive oil. So yung extra virgin olive oil, pag harvest nila nun, i-grind nila until maging pulp siya. So pag durog na siya, ilalagay nila sa parang isang mat na ganun na bilog. Tapos ipapatong-patong nila, may ring sa gitna. So ipapatong-patong nila yung yung olive oil yung olive na nandun sa mesh. Dami, makapal yun, ganyan kataas. Tapos may weight sa ibabaw. So pag may weight na sa ibabaw, nakapress na siya, makita mo tumutulo na yung olive oil dun sa gilid. Ganda tignan. That's why it's called extra virgin, no? Usually extra virgin is the first press. Ito yung unang piga ng olive oil. And then after nun, sa next process niya, yung next na nun, uulitin nila, no? Yun na yung second press nila. Ito na yung pure. It's all pure. And then yung pangatlo, itong pomas. Ito yung pagkatapos nila makuha lahat ng extra virgin olive oil, lahat ng extract ng olive oil, meron pa may iwan mga about 5 to 8% of oil dun sa sa pulp niya. So they put some additives just to extract more oil. But pomas is still pure olive oil. Okay? So iba-iba lang yung levels niya. But of course, the best is always extra virgin olive oil. And then, pag tinaste mo siya, in fact, you can compare different olive oils na taste mo. Iba-iba yung taste niya. Some are very fruity. Depende sa variety ng olive oil tsaka sa season, no? Yung iba medyo piquant ng konti, no? Medyo hindi siya bitter pero medyo tarty siya ng konti, may ganon. So, now, yan na yung bread natin. To make that garlic paste, let's get about 2 cloves of garlic. Yan. So, once madurog mo na yung garlic, madali siya matanggal sa skin niya, gaganon mo lang, labas niya sa skin. And then just add a little salt. So yun yung pang-abrasive natin, para madurog kagad yung garlic. We can turn into paste. So once maging paste na yung garlic natin, ilalagay na natin dito. But before that, let me just check our lengua, how it's coming along. Wow. Ooh. Very nice. Okay. Normally ito sinaserve nila pag pag may mga fiesta, no? Pag may mga birthdays, yan, diyan sila ginagawa talaga. It's very special yung paggawa ng lengua eh. Oh, there you go. Okay. So now that it's cooked, we'll work on our bread. So balik tayo sa ginagawa natin. Yung bread naman natin yan, ito toast na natin. What we'll do, we'll put in some garlic paste. Here. And then with that garlic paste, lalagyan natin ng extra virgin olive oil. Yan, put lots of oil. Para masarap. So, now it's hot. Lagyan na natin to. Put this like this. Yan. So we'll turn our bread. Make sure it's well toasted. Wow, ganda. Ooh, ganda. Nice. Love this. Okay, so our bread is done. Our lengua is done as well. Now, let's plate it. That is it. Then, from here, kukuha tayo ng lengua natin. Look at this. See how soft it is. Huh? Kaya pwede siya sa toast. Yan. Then, put in a little sauce on top. para the bread will soak it up. Okay, and then put a little olive oil. Olive oil, beautiful. Okay, nice. And some garnish. There you go. Here's our lengua with mushroom sauce on toast. Okay, let's try this. The lengua is so soft. When you bite it, parang butter lang, oh. Walang ka-effort. So this is our lengua with mushroom sauce on garlic toast. Of course, using our Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. May difference talaga sa taste pag masarap yung olive oil. So guys, thank you so much for joining me here in Goma at Home. If you have the time, try this in your own kitchen. And then just keep on following my YouTube page. Like, subscribe, and always press the notification bell para alam nyo kapag may bago tayong video na ilalabas. Usually I do it on weekends, no? So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Enjoy your week. Bye.